second round knockout with more snow than we had at the end of January in 2026. This time we got blizzard conditions. I'd say we got probably about 3 inches already. It took a while for it to stick to the roads because we had, some rain first. And it wasn't that cold out. So it took a while for it to set on the streets, but it's setting now. Got ourselves a little fucked up branch right here. Falling over on someone's sidewalk. Quite honestly, roads like this, it's kind of hard to even tell where the road is. I mean, once you plow one side, you can see it easier, but this shit is getting thick. I got the plow angled all the way, and it still doesn't want to throw the snow off. It's crazy. Oh, shit. Limbs are getting weighed down really bad. Oh shit. I might have to back out of this street. Look at this. Back out. I can't go through that.